Good morning, students. Today I am going to start second chapter, Migration of Families. Meaning of migration: when a family moves from one place to another because of some reasons. Reasons can be different. The first incident I am telling you about Santu's family. This Santu's family used to live in a village, but from past few years there was no rain in the village, so the condition will be of drought. मीन्स वहाँ पे बारिश बहुत कम हुई है और जो संतू का जो बिजनेस था that was agriculture, means he is a farmer, and when rain is not there then he was facing so many problems. So because of the drought he has to leave that place. तो वो कहाँ पे माइग्रेट हुआ? वो उसकी नेफ्यू के विलेज में माइग्रेट हुआ. किसके साथ? with his family and cattle. When he moved to the new village, first thing that he has to arrange that was small accommodation on rent. Means उसको अपने रहने की जगह अरेंज करनी थी सबसे पहले. Later on to search for some occupation. Means उसे अपने लिए एक जॉब ढूंढनी थी. Because when you go somewhere, first you need a place to live and second to do some work. Otherwise you don't get money. So after going over there, he got some work and started to live in that village. But when a person moved to different place, then it's not easy to live over there because the place is new for you, your neighbors will be new, no one relatives will be there, और अगर होते हैं but still because the place is new you will feel so uncomfortable. So he had started to live over there but he started to miss his village also. उसके बाद उसे न्यूज़ मिली कि जहाँ पे वो रहता था विलेज में वहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छी बारिश हुई है इस साल, and there because of this reason he took his family and went back to the village. So in this incident, this is about the Santus, and reason of migration is due to drought. And with whom he had moved? He moved with his family and cattle. And after going over there, the first thing he started to search that was accommodation and a job. Now the second incident is about Dheeraj. Dheeraj, he used to live in a village. He has a son and a daughter. उसका जो son है वो 12th standard में है and daughter is in 10th standard. So his problem that when his son will pass out 12th class, after that where will he go for higher studies? So he has to go to the city. लेकिन जब वो city में जाएगा तो उसका जो monthly expenses है that will increase. And after 2 years when daughter will complete 12th class, she also has to go. So he has also means he also have to move to the city. तो उसने ये सोचा कि अलग अलग मूव करने से बेटर है कि right now he has to move with his family, means with his son and daughter. So finally he decided to move to the city. वो विलेज में जो काम करता था that was also on the basis of daily wages, means रोज जो वर्क करता था and he used to get money on the everyday basis, तो उसी से उसका घर खर्च चलता था. So he thought that whatever work I am doing here in the village, the same work I am going to do in the city also. तो वो सिटी में मूव कर गया. After going to the city, he faced so many problems. First thing, house was so much expensive. That's why he took a room on rent far away from the main city. क्योंकि मेन सिटी में जो घर थे वो काफ़ी महंगे थे, लेकिन जो सिटी से दूर घर थे वो थोड़े से चीप थे. So he decided to take room on a rent away from the city. And that was a single room, so the whole family members they have to live in the same room. उसी में उन्हें सोना था, रहना था, cooking, everything has to do in the single room. And still expenses were too much. That's why he decided to work during daytime also and night time also. During daytime ही यूज टू वर्क ऑन द डेली वेजेस, और नाइट में जो उसने काम लिया था दैट वॉज ऑफ अ गार्ड, और यू कैन से लाइक अ वॉचमैन. But because of this tough life, he thought that after completing higher studies of children, he will return back to the village.